look at sorted lists. So what I will do is, in the lab, I will just call this module lists, just like the heading. I'll go ahead and create this module, click into that, and just create my new functional test. So the first one would be sorted lists. And here, of course, it will be called sorted list in the URL. What you see from this application is a very simple application where you can add items such as a list would probably be like, let's say it's a shopping list. Let's say milk. And then, of course, we can say, oh, test, that doesn't belong here. Let's delete that. And of course, we can do a very simple record replay, just record the actions as they go. So let's try that first. Very straightforward, right? Record and replay as you type, you enter it, and it will just catch all the actions on the left hand side. And as you can see, the value here is captured in the value tab. So if I would click this one, I can simply set that value here and change that if I need to. Well, this is fine. It's actually pretty powerful. One thing that you do miss though would be to be able to enter something which is data that can be easily updated to support dynamic data. So let's see, as we type here, I'm just going to say, let's say oranges, right? What we can do now is I can basically say directly capture this as a parameter here. And if I click this, what it's going to do is it's automatically going to bind this thing to a parameter. So you will see the parameter add new to do, and if you want to, let's say we delete all these other ones, all these static ones, and we go to the parameter tab, we can change oranges right here to apples, and maybe apples we already have. So let's say other fruits, whatever we need. I can't remember any fruits right now. And let's run this and see what happens. Well, you see it works pretty well. And as you can see, you can now do data binding directly in the interface as you are typing. Or you can actually, if you record, you can go here and you see how I can also use the existing parameters you have, or use something that is just selected or auto-generated by the Boozang tool.